Elementary teachers, let's grow food with your class. Most teachers don't do it because they either think they have to be an expert grower, or they think that this will require a lot of work and lots of sacrifices. But that's not the case necessarily. You think you have to run a lunchtime or after hours gardening club of some sort? You think you have to coordinate volunteers? You think you're gonna have to stay late and water the garden, or come in and water over the weekend, or worse, during summer? You think you have to come in on weekends for planting events with the community and stuff like that? Nope. You need to do none of that. Then who's gonna grow the garden? Your students. They are the only ones who should be growing this garden and doing all the chores in the garden. Otherwise, they're not gonna learn. Growing food with your class should all be about education. But my class time is full. When are my students going to grow this garden? Yes, in your class time. And I know your class time is filled with things you already have to cover. So what's the solution? You guessed it. You can connect the growing of the garden to what you have to cover already in your curriculum. And for that, you need step-by-step, bite-sized activity guides, all done for you, and a coach who can guide you through it and answer your questions. And you get all that in the Oasis Teachers membership. Go get on it.